for Killer Frost.
She doesn't need a weapon. Killer Frost is the weapon.
Powers or no powers, I will mess you up.
Negate this!
Hold on. Help!
We need Caitlin.
We need to get her to a hospital.
Yeah, help me.